क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, हु इज द चीफ एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ द मैट्रियार्कल थ्योरी? इस थ्योरी के कौन जनक यहाँ बोल सकते हैं, हु इज द एक्सपोनेंट? सो ऑप्शन नंबर दैट इज द मैकलेलन, सर हेनरी मेन, ऑप्शन नंबर सी स्टेफन लेकोक, ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज द विलिगवी. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 ऑप्शन मैकलेलन will be correct. Question number 32. Next question, question number 33. The key concept in labeling theory is motivation, acceptance, stigma or the discrimination. So which option is correct? The concept of labeling theory, that is the stigma. Option number C will be correct. Question number 34. Which 5 years plan is also known as the Gadgil Yojana? Gadgil Yojana. Which 5 years plan? That is the second, fourth, third and the fifth. Question number 34. That is the fourth 5 years plan, also known as the Gadgil Yojana. Question number 36. Reservation of the seats for women in the Panchayat Raj body seeks to ensure economic welfare of the women and the children, gender parity in the rural society, participation of the worker in the public life, or option number D, that is the empowerment of the women as an individual. So which option is correct? Question number 35. So when we talk about the reservation of the seats for the women in the Panchayat Raj institutions, so this body basically is just to seek to ensure the participation of women in the public life. Or okay, so option number C will be correct. Question number 36. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, is better known as. So what is the name of the IBRD, or also that is also known as the other name by the World Bank, IMF, Asian Development Bank, or it is known by its name? So which option is correct? Question number 36. So that is the World Bank. Next question, question number 37. Which agency estimate the national income of India? So which commission? The Reserve Bank of India, that is the RBI, or option B, Planning Commission, option C, Ministry of the Finance, or option number D, that is the CSO, Central Statistical Organization. Which option is correct? The agency which estimate the national income of India, that is the CSO, Central Statistical Organization. Question number 38. What is the value of the goods and the services produced in a country within the year? Okay, in a 1 year, the one country producing the goods and services. So what is the value? That is the net national income at a factor cost, net national output, net national product at a market price, or the option number D, that is the gross national product at the market price. So which option is correct for question number 38? Of course, option number D, that is the GNP at MP, market price. Option number D will be correct. Question number 39. An economy is at the take-off stage on its path to development when it is begin stagnant, begin steady growth, and it's liberalized, or the option number D, that is the get maximized foreign aids. So when the economy take off a stage of its path to the development stage. So question number 39. When begin steady growth. Okay, option number B will be correct. Question number 40. The term TRIPS and the TRIMS are related to NAFTA, SAPTA, EFTA, or the GATT. Question number 40. So of course option number D is correct. Next question. Question number 41. Prison vocational training program were introduced for inmates reformation, rehabilitation, reformation, and the rehabilitation, and the none of the above. Question number 41. Option number C will be correct. Reformation and the rehabilitation. This is talking about the prison vocational training program. Okay, which is introduced for the inmates of the rehabilitation, also reformation. Question number 42. A concept paradigm in the linguistics and the cognitive science that hold that the structure of a language affect its speaker cognition or worldview. So which option is correct? Is the concept that is the phonologism, or the anikism, or option number B, that is the morphologism, or option number D, that is the morphinism. Which option is correct? What is the concept? a concept paradigm in the linguistic or the cognitive science that hold the structure of a language affect its speaker cognitive and the worldview. That is the ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज द वोरफियनिज्म. ऑप्शन नंबर डी करेक्ट हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, which are the techniques used in the behavioral modification? Impulsive theory, therapy, aversion therapy, assertive therapy, and the simple extinction. So which code is correct for question number 43? So is all the technique that is used for behavioral modification. So option number B will be correct. Question number 44, according to the cognitive theory of Jean Piaget, the two main stages of cognition are, so basically this theory given by the Jean Piaget, JP, cognitive theory. Okay, the two main stages of this cognition, that is the equilibrium or disequilibrium, assimilation or the accommodation, equilibrium or the assimilation or the accommodation, and the equilibrium. So what are the two main stages of the cognition for the question number 44? So that is the equilibrium or the disequilibrium. Option number B first correct हो जाएगा, the 1-1. Next question, question number 45. The scoring system developed by the anesthesiologist Virginia to appraise the normalcy of a baby condition at the time of the birth is known as the system. Basically, the question is talking about the system. So, what is the name of the scoring system? That is the Asperger's scoring system, or Apgar's scoring system, Asperger's grading system, or the adoption scoring system. So, of course, this question is talking about the scoring system. So you have to mark the right scoring system. So of course option number C will be, this is the grading system, and option number B will be correct. Apgar's scoring system will be correct. Question number 46. Change in existing way of thinking in response to the encounter with a new stimuli or the event. That is called as accommodation, niche schemes, and the assimilation. For the question number 46, which option is correct? Changing in the existing way of thinking, okay, in just to response, or you can say in the encounter with the new stimuli or the new event, that is called as accommodation. Option number first will be correct. Question number 47. These are the roughly numbers given here, genes in the human genome. ह्यूमन जीनोम में आपको कितने जीन्स हैं आपको बताना है. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाउ मैन द नंबर जीन्स इन द ह्यूमन जीनोम. 35,000, 45, 50,000, and 25,000. So which option is correct? Question number 47. So it is roughly around the 25,000 genes in the human genome. Option number D is correct. Question number 48. During early retirement, people in middle adulthood are increasingly likely today to make the transition in and out of the paid work. Okay, the key reason for this, what is the reason for this? The first one, that the reason given there is the most early retired actually do not have the qualification necessary to hold a job for a very long. So is it right? I don't think this is the right reason for this question. Many have the greater need for income and or the wealth insurance than the anticipated. Option number C, that is the employers have embraced the practice of calling back early retired to work periodically. It's not right. Option number D, that is the baby boomers are a particularly indecisive generation. So this is also not. Option number B will be correct. Question number 48. Question number 49. A single word used to convey complete thoughts of the sentence is termed as. So when you convey the complete sentence or any thoughts, okay, so what is called as the single word that is used to, that is called as foreclosure, and the holophase, homozygous, and the declays. Which option is correct? Question number 49. So that is called as holophase, that is used to convey the whole sentence. Question number 50. Okay, trajectories of the death is proposed by Elizabeth Rose, या बोल सकते हैं. Next B, Ray Moody. Option number C, that is the brainwaves, and option number D, that is the Robert Kastenbaum. Which option is correct for the question that the trajectories of the death is proposed by which thinker? The right option will be question number 50. Robert Castenbaum. Option number D will be correct. Next question, question number 51. The play that involves interacting, communicating, and the taking turn is termed as, that is called as cooperative play or the associative play, on local play or the parallel play. So which is the right, that the play that involve the interacting, communicating, and talking terms of the term. So that is called as cooperative play. Option number first will be correct. Next question, question number 52. So this is the assertion is in question. The assertion is that the sexually abused children are usually afraid to tell others about their experience. Yes, okay. Next, reason, the because abuser will manipulate the child by saying that no one will believe you about or anyway, since you are the child, because of this is the child, so no one will believe in the child. So this is the reason given for the assertion. Okay. So which option is correct for the option number, for the question number 52? Sexually abused children are usually afraid, because they are afraid because of they know that they that no one going to believe in the child what they're saying. So this is the right reason. Okay. And also reason also that is also justifying this assertion. So option number B will be correct. Question number 53. According to the Eric Wins, I'm a loser or I must help save the world. An example of life script. Option number B, psychological games. Option number C, transactions. Option number D, personality structure. So which option is correct? Question number 53. According to the Eric Wins, I'm a loser or I must help save the world. That is the life scripts. Option number A will be correct. Question number 54. Cognitive behavior therapy, that is called as CBT, is generally considered as the cognitive therapy or behavioral therapy or evidence-based therapy or the humanistic. So which option is correct? Question number 54. So cognitive behavioral therapy is generally considered as the evidence-based therapy. Next question, question number 55. To whom is the counselor responsible to group counseling? So this question talking about the counselor who is responsible for the group counseling. To whom? The individuals in the group or the whole group, or the individuals and the group, or the agency the counselor is employed by. That means if someone like the social worker is employed by any agency or any company, so this is the option, that the agency that counselor is employed by. So to whom this particular counselor is responsible in the group counseling. Question number 55. So of course the whole group, you can see the group which is taking the counseling from the counselor, okay, service provider. So this person is this counselor or the person is responsible for the whole group. Option number B will be correct. Question number 56. Back cognitive therapy for the depression require the individuals to. So what are the requirement in this therapy for the individuals? That the make an objective assessment of their beliefs. What are the beliefs of an individual? They have to make assessment and objective assessment about the beliefs, and keep a dream diary, keep a mode diary, and the set attainable life goals. So which option is correct? So basic cognitive therapy for the depression required the individuals that they should make some kind of the objective assessment of their beliefs, what they think, all these things, or option number A will be correct. Question number 57. The rate for progress in the learning slow down and reach a limit beyond which further improvement seems impossible. It is known as. The rate of progress in learning slow down and reach to the limit beyond which further. That means the at the stage when there is no possibility to improve things or impossible. So what is known as the plateau, boredom, loss of interest, or the difficult stage. So question number 57 will be A will be correct. Plateau means some kind of the that means the stage when there is no chance for the improvement. So you can also, even the option C is also some kind of the correct answer, but here the plateau means just इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं पठार. That means something which is can't be again you can improve, or that is not going to improve, the impossible. So you can mark option number A correct. Question number 58. Refer to the use of questions to guide the conversations from the general to the specific. So the term that is used, okay, here just to guide the conversation from the general to the specific, that is called it funneling, reflection, probing, and the summarizing. So option number A will be correct. So this kind of the approach that is used by the speaker, motivational speakers in the any organization, in NGO, any organization, in private organizations, so they, okay, yeah, some kind of the leaders, they use this technique, okay, just to use the question to guide the conversations. That is called as funneling. In question number 59, the parenting style that seldom exercise direct control over the child is termed as the authoritarian, permissive, authoritative, or the harmonious. So which option is correct for the question? That the parenting style, that these are the parenting style and that is used to exercise the direct control over the child, okay. So which option is correct? The term that seldom exercise direct control, kabhi kabhi, okay, over the child, so that is called as harmonious. Option number D will be correct. Kabhi kabar they exercise the direct control over the child. Question number 60. This is the assessment region question. There is the two statement. The first one, that is the learning refer to the modification of the behavior as a result of the past experience. Okay. So here the question, this statement is about the learning. Okay. So here the mention that learning refer to the modification of the behaviors as a result of past experience. What kind of the experience you have in the past? Okay. So on this basis, the behavior modification, the behavior will be modified. So this is the learning. Here the mention the learning experience is the achieved through the observation. So the experience is achieved through the observation also and the practice, okay, by the experience. So which option is correct? Question number 60. This question talking about the learning, okay, and the reason given for the experience. So although both are correct, okay, but experience is achieved through the observation, and the it's not I think going to explain this assertion, because here the assertion talking about the learning refer to the modification of the behavior, okay, and this is talking about the through the observation as the result of past experience. So option number B will be correct, okay, I think. So these are the 60 question. Guys, if you find any question answer wrong, just mention in the comment box, then I will correct in the next session, okay. So thank you so much guys, and we will discuss from question number 61 in the next session. Thank you so much.